Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to access your WordPress dashboard from cPanel, the most direct way. First, open your web browser and navigate to your cPanel login page, which is usually found at your domain name followed by a specific port or directory. Enter your cPanel username and password, then click the Login button to proceed. This grants you access to your server's control panel, where all your website management tools reside. After successfully logging into cPanel, scroll down until you find the Softaculous Apps installer icon, typically located in the Software section. This powerful tool manages all your website installations. Click on the Softaculous icon to open its interface, then look for the Installations or All Installations tab at the top. Here you will see a list of every WordPress site you have installed on this particular hosting account. From your list of WordPress installations in Softaculous, locate the specific website you want to manage. To the right of that particular installation, you will notice a series of management icons. Find the icon that looks like a person or is labeled Admin or Login. Clicking this button will securely log you directly into your WordPress dashboard, completely bypassing the need to enter your WordPress username and password. This is the simplest and most direct method. While accessing through cPanel is very convenient, you can also bookmark your WordPress dashboard URL for direct future access, often ending with /wp-admin. This lets you log in without cPanel. Always use exceptionally strong, unique passwords for both your WordPress administrator account and your cPanel login credentials to maintain robust security. Regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins for optimal performance and protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.